Hello everyone, welcome to the official channel of Vision Automation Solutions। तो आज का वीडियो बेस्ड होने वाला है पाइथन पर, उसकी एप्लीकेशंस पर एंड व्हाई यू शुड लर्न पाइथन एंड कुछ प्रोजेक्ट आइडियाज़ पर। तो अगर आप एब्सोल्यूट बिगनर्स हैं पाइथन में, सो हमने ऑलरेडी पाइथन के कॉन्सेप्ट्स के इंट्रोडक्शन पर वीडियोस बना रखी है, सो यू कैन वॉच दैट एंड द लिंक विल बी प्रोवाइडेड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। Okay, so still I'll give you a quick review on what is Python. Not this. This is the logo of Python. Python is a general purpose programming language that is often used to build websites and software, automate tasks, and conduct data analysis. It can be used to create a variety of different programs. This versatility, along with its beginner friendliness, has made it one of the most used programming languages today. Many top businesses and software companies depend on Python, including Facebook, Google, Netflix, Instagram, and others. But a question arises, why only Python when we have tons of other languages to study, like Java, C++, C? Then why is Python gaining its popularity among students and developers? Well, if you compare the structure of a Python code with the other languages, you'll get your answer. Like, as you see over here, the syntax of a Python program is much more easier than any other language. So that's the reason why Python has been gaining a lot of popularity. It's basically a beginner-friendly language. Python can build a wide range of different data visualizations like line and bar graphs, pie charts, histograms, and 3D plots. Also, Python is often used to develop the back end of a website, the parts that a user doesn't necessarily see. Also, it's used for automation. So, if you find yourself performing a task over and over again, you could work more efficiently by automating it with a Python code. Writing code used to build these automated processes is called scripting. Okay, so if you still ask, why should you learn Python? Then I'll tell you that Python developers are in great demand across a variety of industries. And as you see, it's used in a lot of big companies, so definitely you should learn it. It's an easy to learn language. Plus, it can perform any task to resolve technical issues. Plus, if you become an expert in Python, then a lot of wide range of career opportunities will be open up for you. So, if you're planning on learning Python, then you should definitely go for it. It's gonna be worth it, as you already see its beginner-friendly environment and its applications. But if you're already into Python, and if you're searching for some project ideas, beginner or intermediate, then I'll provide you the link in the description box. You'll find it in our Python playlist. In our playlist, you'll find the videos on tic-tac-toe game, aerial brush, chat application tools. Plus, there are more to come. We are planning on making even more videos in the future for Python projects, so please look forward to them. Project makes learning a fun, so beginner or intermediate, you should definitely do some projects based on the language you're learning. It will provide you a fun environment and will allow you to practice your Python skills and get even more opportunities in the future. As a web developer, a game builder, or software maker. Also, if you're learning Python or if you're planning on learning Python but you don't have a system like a PC or a laptop available with you, then I'll solve your problem here too. You don't have to do anything, you just have to download a simple app called PyDroid. The link will be provided in the description box. So over this app, you can practice your basic programs and even some projects. So the link will be in the description box, so definitely you should give it a try and download it. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found our video beneficial and interesting. So if you did, then please don't forget to like and share our video, and please do subscribe our channel. We are coming up with another mini project based on Python, that is a quiz game. So please look forward to it. Till then, stay safe and healthy and have a good and happy day and night.